evening to all of you. Today we are going to talk about magnet therapy. In India, so many therapies are available. They are available from the times of Atharvaveda. Before 7,000 years, our Aryan rishis, they found out so many things which are really a wonder to the world even today. Some of them found out the roots of the trees and what medicine is available in the leaves, what benefits you will have by consuming such medicines, and what disadvantage you will have with this medicine. And they worked on each tree separately, each plant separately, with the theory of home thom, and they acquired the knowledge of the trees in their own brain and gave it to the world. Magnet therapy was also there in India. Today you find at Akola and Abu idols of God which are filled with magnets. The idol remains at a certain height from the ground, swimming in the air, flowing in the air. We wonder how it has happened. But when we inquired into it, we found that the magnet is there at the top, which is attracting the very powerful magnet is there, which is attracting the iron which is there in the idol and taking it up. Same at Addar Devi at Mount Abu. There is an idol of Mother Abu, Mother Ambika. That also remains at a height. A person like Arvind Ghosh, he used to sit in meditation and remain above the earth up to 8 inches. How he could do it, nobody knew. He never talked to anybody. But he was doing it. While he was in jail at Barisal, he did this. And the jail superintendent was surprised how he does it. He used to come there and check up whether the space is there below his body. And he would be floating in the air in meditation. That is also magnetic power. We are all stuck up to the earth with the magnetic power of the earth. And that power keeps us along with the earth always. While birds, they can become weightless and can fly in the air to some time, a few minutes. After that again they have to come down. Now these magnets are of two types, north and south. North gives you energy and south takes away all the pain that you have in the body. Each magnet has two sides, like the two sides of a coin. They paint it as blue, which is south, the color of the sky, and red as north, which gives us energy. Red always gives energy, while blue gives soothing effect. Now these magnets are measured by gauge. They are available from 5 degrees up to 2000 degrees. But for our body, I advise not to use more than 500 gauge. If you use a powerful magnet, and if the evil effect of that magnet is there on your body, then you may suffer due to the magnetic power which has entered your body. Any dose which is overdue or overdose always harms you. Our body can bear powers up to a certain extent. Beyond that, we become sick and helpless. Suppose the heat is too much, what happens? Can't bear it. If the cold is too much, can't bear it. We want everything balanced. So here also you have to keep the balance. So measurement is by gauge. When you go to the market, the person who is selling the magnets will tell you which is the north side, which is the south side. He may give you a color, or he may write on the magnet which is north, which is south, and also the gauge. South pole reduces pain, gives relief in pain, removes swelling, fights bacteria, cures inflammatory troubles, conditions like spondylitis, arthritis, lumbago, sciatica, pimples, cataract, chronic headache, painful or lumbago, sciatica, cataract, chronic headache, excessive menstruation, epilepsy, insomnia, mental retardation with ailments such as eczema, ringworms, tumor, etc. That is south. North gives you power. It is used for general health. It increases heat in the body, adds strength and vigor to the body, cures paralytic conditions, strengthens weak muscles, organs or tissues, removes impotency and sterility, constipation, scanty menses, tingling and numbness, and speeds up biomagnetic functions of the sluggish body or organs. Now, these magnets are to be placed on the body. I will show how to do it. Magnet up. Suppose you have got pain in the joint here at the top, shoulders. This will take away the pain. So, this can be kept there, and north will be down for getting energy. She should get energy from here, which will go to the top. The tips of her fingers can catch the energy, and this will reduce the pain here. Same way, if the pain is on that side, you can keep it that way. You can also keep them below the foot. Suppose the pain is there in the kneecap, blue one on the kneecap, just at the joint. Yes. This is to be kept for nearly 20 to 25 minutes, not more. If required, you may do it twice, otherwise once is sufficient, once a day.
Yes, 10 minutes. 10, 15 to 10 minutes.
You can also prepare water out of magnets. Take a bottle, glass bottle, don't use plastic bottle. Fill it with drinking water after boiling it and filtering it, so that the water is clean. If you want to prepare south water, both are south, keep them, they won't connect with each other when you keep it like this. They will not join. They will join only when they are opposite. Now, when you want to prepare south water, you can prepare this way. North water, this way. And if you want both the sides, then you can prepare like this, south or north. And suppose you want neutral water, south and north mix, make it like this. And then cover it with a bandage, cloth bandage, so that they will remain there tied up with the bottle. They should not separate. There should be no space between the bottle and the magnets, otherwise the effect will not be there. Keep it for 4 hours to 12 hours, as you require. If you require very strong water, keep it for 12 hours overnight, 9 o'clock at night to morning 9 o'clock, and the water will be ready. You can consume directly the magnetic water or mix it with ordinary water for drinking. Just take 1 teaspoon of this water and 1 glass of ordinary water, mix it up like medicine, and then take it. If you require, you can take more water also, or you can take raw magnetic water also, but that should not be taken continuously. If you take it continuously, then the effect on the stomach will be bad, because our stomach is accustomed with ordinary water, not the magnetic water or other type of water. But magnetic water is really good and does splendid work. It improves blood pressure, blood circulation, purifies the blood, reduces extra cholesterols, dissolves kidney stones, regulates metabolic activities of the body, this water. Even a healthy person can take the water, but he should not make it a habit. Any habit with the body is always bad. So, don't make it habitual, because when you require it, it will not work. If you are habituated to take magnet water, even though it is not necessary, then it will not work when the necessity comes. So, don't get habituated, but you can consume it whenever you like, irregularly, if there is no disease. It increases hemoglobins in the body also, and blood cells, that is red cells and white cells. This water should be taken 2, 3, 4 times as may be necessary. You can also apply this water where the pain is there and make a massage for about 15 minutes to 30 minutes daily, 2 times a day. There are different types of magnets available in the market. 3 types are very important. One is permanent magnet, another is ceramic magnet, and third is electromagnet. Permanent magnet is again of 3 types. 10 bar magnet, it is like a bar, patti, which is about 8 to 10 inches long. One side is south, another side is north. Second is cylinder type, round pipe. One side is north, another side is south. And third is horseshoe, U type. There is a caliper to be kept in the horseshoe. If you don't keep the caliper, then the power of the magnet will reduce automatically. Secondly, while giving treatment, don't sit, or the patient should not sit on any metal. Plastic will do, wood will do, and ground will do, but don't sit on metal. Secondly, don't keep the magnets on any metallic table or cupboard. Then the difficulty, the power will be taken away. Secondly, don't keep the magnets together. Keep them away from each other, if possible up to 6 feet, minimum 3 feet. Permanent magnet is manufactured from Almaco, that is aluminum, nickel and cobalt. Cosmetic magnet is manufactured from graphite. If it falls, it breaks immediately, like glass. The gauge is less, so watch belts, waist belts, spectacle frames, watch straps can be manufactured from ceramic. They also help curing the disease, but they will be on your body permanently. They are very mild, effect is very slow. Don't take care that magnets are not dropped. Now, this is 35 gauge, north and south. They can be used for your face. For eyes also some people use them, but I don't advise to use them for eyes. If you make a mistake, the eyes will be defective and there will be bad effect. So, I always advise never to use magnets for the eyes. For ears you can use them. You can use them for the boils inside the cheeks or any tooth pain or pus in the tooth or teeth, tongue trouble. Even for cold, both should be north. So, they should not be dropped or jarred, otherwise their gauge will reduce. If they drop on the ground, by striking to the ground, the gauge will reduce and there will be imbalance of gauge in the magnets. Ladies which are under monthly period should not take treatment for 6 days, and those who are pregnant should not take treatment after the 3rd month up to the delivery time, because if the effect is there on the child which is in the womb, then it will be bad effect. After giving treatment, the person should not drink anything cool or cold. No cool water, milk, lassi, buttermilk, ice cream, etc. should not be taken. Should not take any bath for 2 hours. The effect of magnet will go away. If necessary, you can take bath after 1 hour. Secondly, when you are giving treatment to the patient, if the magnets are powerful and if you are wearing the specs or watch, the effect on the watch will be there and the watch may stop. And again, you may have to go to some watch repairer and get it repaired. Or the specs may just come out with the power of the magnet and they may fall down. So, take care that you are not putting anything metallic on your face or on your hands. Do not continue treatment when not needed. Secondly, patients who are allergic to iron should never be treated by magnets. If you have to treat the patient for eyes, never use the north magnet. Only treat with the south when the pain is there or swelling is there. But I say that avoid magnets as far as possible for eyes trouble. Secondly, when the air conditioner is working, don't give magnetic treatment. The coolness and magnets have got opposite phenomena. When you treat a patient with skin disease, then cover the magnets with cloth piece or put them in a cloth bag and then treat the patient, so that the magnets are not affected by the bad condition of the skin, pus, etc., and they are not made dirty. Second, you should also not touch such cases because they may spread in your body also. Secondly, when you make the treatment, keep all iron objects or electronic items away from you up to 3 feet. Even your mobile also, keep it away. Because the effect will be there on the mobile and there may be disturbance and mobile may not work. If the powerful magnets are there, then the trouble is there. Otherwise, there is no trouble. As I showed you, the magnets can be treatment can be given by north and south. Wherever the pain is there, put the south one, and the place from where the energy is to be taken from the atmosphere, keep the north one. As I showed you with the fingers of the foot or the hands, palm, etc. Now, suppose you have to treat a patient for depression, keep the north magnet on the head and cover it with pyramid. If both are together, result will be very fast and depression or sorrowful conditions or miserable conditions will come to an end very fast. The man or woman would become very strong within no time. Now, as I showed you, water can be prepared north one, south one and north plus south both, that is neutral. Now, a list is given, itches and pains, give treatment by south. Treatment can be given in any way wherever the pain is there for 10 minutes twice a day and water should be prepared with south. Acidity trouble, north one, treatment by A on the abdomen, 10 minutes twice a day and north water. Anemia, north and south water, 10 minutes twice a day. Loss of appetite, no hunger, A type, 10 minutes twice a day, north and south. Arthritis, north and south, treatment to be given for the affected part, organs, etc., as shown earlier. There is the blue one where the pain is there and the red one at the end of the hand or foot. 10 minutes twice a day south. Water should be south. Asthma, 10 minutes twice a day and water prepared by north. Backache, north and south, both treatments should be given. 10 minutes twice a day and water should be prepared both. Baldness of hair, A type on the head, 10 minutes twice a day and south water. Blood pressure low, 20 minutes twice a day, south one. On the heart, blood pressure north on the heart, 5 minutes only twice a day and water should be north. Cataract in the eyes, on the eyes give the treatment by magnets if required, south one only, 10 minutes twice a day and water should be used of north. Colic pain, north and south treatment, 10 minutes a day, twice a day, north and south water. Cold, north and south, treatment A on the nose plus brain, 10 minutes twice a day and water south. Conjunctivitis, north, treatment A, 5 minutes, 5 times a day and north water. Constipation, north and south, B treatment, that is on the abdomen lower part, 10 minutes twice a day and south. In constipation it should be given on both the sides, back as well as front. Front side give it with the south one, back side with the north one. Cons, north one, 10 minutes twice a day, north. Coughing by cold, north and south both, 10 minutes a day, twice a day and water should be there of north. Diabetics, give treatment by south on the lower part below the solar plexus, 10 minutes twice a day and south water. Diarrhea, north and south both together, back and front, front side and that is north and back side south and 10 minutes twice a day, north water. Earache, south, 10 minutes twice a day and south water. Eczema, on the affected part, join the north one with a bandage, 20 minutes twice a day and north water. Epilepsy, A treatment 10 minutes twice a day, north water. Epistaxis, north and south, A treatment 5 to 20 minutes twice a day. Then fever, 5 minutes every time whenever the fever is there, every half an hour to 1 hour and north water. Fissures, 5 minutes twice a day and north water. Fracture, wherever it is there, apply the north one and the south one on the back side. 30 minutes twice a day, south water. Giddiness, vertigo, treatment by south on the head, 15 minutes twice a day and north water. Goiter, treatment by A, 10 minutes twice a day and water north and south. Gout, north and south, 10 minutes a day, 4 times and north water. Gums, treatment by north, 10 minutes 5 times a day, north and south. Headache, north and south, back and up and back side. 15 minutes at a time, twice a day, south water. Then heart disease, A treatment, 10 minutes twice a day, south. Hernia, north and south both, on the lower part of the body, 10 minutes twice a day. Hydrocele, south treatment, 10 minutes twice a day, north water. Injuries of any type, north and south both. If the blood is flowing, put the south one there. Oozing will be there very fast. North will draw more blood out of the body, south will ooze it. If the clotting is there, the clotting also will go away. And water by north. Insect bites, north one and north and south water. Jaundice, north and south, 10 minutes a day, twice a day, north water. Kidney trouble, north and south, 10 minutes twice a day, north and south. Knee pain, many people have got that pain nowadays, north and south both. North on the back side, south on the front side, 20 minutes twice a day and north water. Leukoderma, 20 minutes twice a day, north water. Liver trouble, all the three types of treatments on the liver as well as uppers in the heart and the abdomen. 20 minutes twice a day, north water. Lumbago, north and south treatment, 15 minutes twice a day, south water. Loss of memory, 10 minutes twice a day, south water. Migraine, many people have that trouble nowadays, 10 minutes 3 times a day and south water. Numbs, 10 minutes twice a day, north water. Nervousness, 10 minutes twice a day, north and south. Nervousness give it on the head, just like depression. Neuralgia, 10 minutes twice a day, north and south water. Paralysis, very good effect is there in paralysis, north and south. All the three types of treatment throughout the body, 10 minutes twice a day and south water. Water should be consumed directly without mixing with the other water in paralysis. Then little by little ordinary water can be added. Pneumonia, 10 minutes twice a day, south water. Polypus, 10 minutes twice a day, south water. Prostate enlargement, 10 minutes twice a day, south. Psoriasis, 10 minutes twice a day, north water. Rheumatism, 15 minutes twice a day, south water. Sciatica on the affected part, 10 minutes twice a day, south water. Sinus, 10 minutes twice a day, south water. Spondylitis, 10 minutes twice a day, south water. Teeth neck, 10 minutes twice a day, south water. Stone trouble in gallbladder, north one treatment, 10 minutes twice a day and north water. Swelling in any part of the body, north and south both should be fixed, south on the swelling part, north on the back side. And treatment of all type ABC, 10 minutes twice a day, north and south. Syphilis, north treatment, 10 minutes twice a day, north. Tonsils, north and south treatment, 10 minutes twice a day, north and south. Toothache, 10 minutes twice a day, south water. Tuberculosis, north one for trouble at the lungs, 10 minutes twice a day and north water. Tumor in any part of the body, maybe even brain tumor or stomach tumor or intestine tumor or any other tumor. South should be kept on the part affected by tumor, 10 minutes twice a day and north water. Ulcers in any part of the body, north and south treatment, 10 minutes twice a day, north water. Urinary troubles, disorders, 10 minutes twice a day and north water. And vomiting, north and south, 10 minutes twice a day, north and south. Diabetics, 10 minutes twice a day, south. Diarrhea, north and south, 10 minutes twice a day. That has come. Repetition is there, Goitar and all this. Any difficulties there with anybody? Do you require any practical suggestions or anything? How to apply the magnets or how to take the treatment and all that? We can show you.
3 ways of using that magnet. One is when it is paining, you use the blue,
right.
and opposite red. Then the second,
So,
3 ways.
જ્યારે પેન થાય ત્યાં રેડ કલરનું મૂકવાનું.
pain thata south.
હા સાઉથ અને અહીંયા નોર્થ.
Pain, swelling, etc. south. Because you want to remove that.
Energy is red.
And you want energy for curing your disease and become vigorous, energetic and strong. So, north one for getting the energy. So, energy will enter the body, attack the pain, and south will absorb the pain. Anything for discussion? Any other questions or anything?